Welcome. Today I am with Nokia G50 5G and I'm going to check the loudest speaker level of this device. So as you can see, I'll measure the time with this decibel meter. Right now I'm going to turn it on and set it up on the maximum volume level mode. There it is, and it means that right now all of these values that you see on the display will only change when this decibel meter reaches the highest volume level than the previous one. So on the Nokia G50 5G we can find speaker right here at the bottom, and I'm going to put decibel meter right here, and I'm going to play this song at the highest quality and the highest volume. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so as you can see, Nokia G50 5G reached 112.1 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.